This channel is getting millions of views just by creating a simple animation video, guys. Okay guys, so in this very video I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get to create a simple animation map animation video for absolutely free. Let me say it again: map animation video for absolutely free. Check out this channel, it is called Glow 60. This channel is getting millions of views just by uploading a simple animation video. I know they use a very powerful editing app just to achieve this, but in this very video I'm going to be sharing with you a simple website that we can use to create an animation video, like a map animation video for absolutely free. Like, let me say this again, it is for absolutely free. Check out this channel again. The name of this channel is called Joe Global Tech. Like Joe Global Tech. This channel is really pulling millions of you guys. With this website, with this channel, you can get an idea for the kind of video you want to make, guys. So the website that we're going to be making use to achieve this map animation video, it is called Era, guys. So what is Era? Era is a website that is being created to create a motion animation, guys. We are not going to with this website, it is not only for creating a map animation. With this website, you can use this website to create infography. You can use this website to create an infography just like the map animation you saw earlier, guys. You can use this website to create a logo, guys. You can check out some of the logo that has been created with this website, guys. With a simple prompt, you are going to be creating is a logo, guys. With this website, you can use this website to create a test. Right now you can see the type of test on this website, like a test animation and so on. With this website you can use it for a social media, guys. Like with this website you can use it for a social media has and so much. Like you can also use this website to create an ad for any product in a motion way, like for any product. And you can also use this website to create an overlay right now, for an overlay for any editing that you are doing right now, to create emotion overlay for any editing that you are doing right now. You can also use this website to create a map animation, which we are still going to be making use of it to create a map animation, and also a graph animation right there. It's very simple and easy right there. Let me let this thing load. You can see right now a map animation just like the one I showed you earlier, that people are getting millions of views just to create a simple map animation right now. So to get started, like I always do, which is to make use of ChatGPT right now. Look at the prompt I gave ChatGPT. I need you to write about some province in US. Our purpose is to differentiate them in a short sentence. You can start by asking a simple question like which area, which geography, and something like that. So I gave it a using a pictorial graph view of a bar chart. Can you showcase the richest to the poorest province right now? So you can see, use a pictorial graph to showcase the from the poorest and from the richest to the poorest right now. So we are going to save this graph for later right now. We're going to be saving this graph for later. We're going to make use of it later right now. So with ChatGPT, we can get to generate an idea. Okay, this is what we're going to create, and it is very important to watch out for a video like, okay, this is a video that is trending, this is a map animation that is trending. It's very important to replicate that right there. So let me create a map animation right now. So to get started, it's very simple and easy. I just need to put in a prompt, like a simple prompt right there. So to compose a prompt is very simple and easy right there. So I need to put in a prompt. I've inserted a prompt right now. To the aspect ratio, it should be vertical, which is 6 by 16 by 9 right now, or 9 by 60. You can choose any aspect ratio of your choice right now. It will start creating right there, and let's wait for the magic. Let's wait for the magic. It's creating right now. It's creating, and let's wait for the magic. Boom, guys, this has been created, guys. You can see this section is the enter edit mode right now. If you want to move your cursor around and something like that, customize the size and the background, and this place is to regenerate. You can see the button to regenerate if you want to regenerate, and this place is to save as a template. You can see right now. So let's refresh that. So if you want to do any custom animation or this thing, you can just check around and do any custom and do any changes you want right there. And also, let me tell you something, you can get 15% of anybody you refer to this website. You can get 15% from them right now if you refer a person right there. So to download it is very simple and easy. Just click on export right now. You can see the section that I click right there, export. You can click on that, just click on that section to export your the animation you created right there, the animation you created earlier. Just click on that section to export it right now. It's very simple and easy. I hope you guys are getting this. If you really have any question, if you have any question, go down in the comment section. I will reply to all your questions. Okay, let's say we saw an animation, like an animation, or like you saw something on the website and you want to recreate it. It's very simple and easy, guys. Like, it's very simple and easy. Let me allow this section to load up right now. Okay, let's assume that we want to recreate this right now, this chart animation. So what we need to do is very simple and easy. Just say that make this animation 10 times faster right now, 10 times faster. I'm just showing you. Okay, with this now, you can just use this method to recreate this kind of bar chart animation. If you really like, okay, I like what I'm seeing right now, I want to modify it, I want to change the color, I want to change this, I want to do this, I want to do that. You can use this method to change everything you want right there. You can see, you can get to change the background color to any color you want. You can get to change the chart color, everything. Like, you can get to customize anything at all. One thing, that's one thing I love about this website. You can get to customize anything at all that you want right now. You can get to choose any template, choose any color, change the font, change your text font or anything at all. But the color that is there before, I like that one, so I'm leaving that one right there, guys. So to download it is very simple and it's just click on the download section to download it right now. Okay, guys, I'll be stopping this very video at this point. If you really love this website, just go and make them try out this website. It's very simple and easy to make use of it. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye for now, guys.